sites in Cavite, the National Capital Region, Batangas, Laguna, Rizal, Bulacan, and Pampanga. As of this day, with over 100 members, the band is continuously imparting knowledge and music to the youths of Rosario and neighboring towns, focusing on achieving great musicality, superb showmanship, character building, and good sportsmanship through the guidance of our God and Patroness, Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario, Reina del Caracol. Happy 11th year anniversary, Holy Rosary Youth Band! Ang dami! Over 100 members ang Holy Rosary Youth Band. Nagdiriwang po ang Holy Rosary Youth Band ng ika-11 taon ng pagkakatatag ngayong araw. Exact date, no? 11 years na po ang Holy Rosary Youth Band. Kaya, yan. Sige. Isa po ang Holy Rosary Youth Band sa 4 na mahuhusay at napakagagaling na banda dito sa ating bayan ng Rosario. Yes, happy anniversary, Holy Rosary Youth Band. Ang husay naman ni Kuya Alban. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin ang Holy Rosary Youth Band na nagdiriwang ng kanilang ika-11 taon ng pagkakatatag mula noong May 2014. Maraming salamat, Holy Rosary Youth Band. Pagbati din sa Los Fuegos Fireworks ni Shaka Boom. Ayan, husay. Ang susunod, maraming salamat. Ang susunod ay ang St. Hilary Band. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, ano ho yung naunang dalawang banda ay nagpakitang gilas na po.